Hey guys, this is George. I'm going to go over George's Excel fitness and weight tracker for the year 2020. Currently I'm in the exercise and weight tracker worksheet. There's also other views. There's the full year calendar view for special events, and there's also the monthly view. So let's go back to the exercise and weight tracker worksheet. This is where you're going to keep track of your actual weight and compare that to a weight goal that you set, and also whether you exercise on your planned dates. So let's go ahead and start filling out information here. Let's say that your desired goal for the year is 140 pounds. So you can enter that here, and then you can copy and paste special values that all the way down for the year. Okay, so to start entering information, you're going to keep track of your planned workout schedules on these monthly calendars. This is January. I already have that filled in. I have my workout plan filled in for February. And for March, this one's not filled in. So to enter the information, you just type it directly in the cells, or you can copy, if your workout stayed the same, you can just copy from a prior month into next month. Okay, so let's go back to January. And this particular month, I have a 3-day-a-week workout plan. So on Wednesday the 1st, January 1st, I plan to warm up, run, and stretch. So if we completed that particular exercise plan, you go back to the exercise and weight tracker, and you're going to, on Wednesday the 1st, you're going to shade that green. Okay, so let's say on Friday, we plan to bicycle, and let's say that we completed that on Friday. So we mark that as green. So at the end of the week, we enter our weight. We can see that we're 20 pounds over our goal weight. Over here to the right, we have a chart that tracks our weight, actual weight versus our desired weight for the entire year. So that orange line there represents the goal weight for the year. So let's say that on these next couple of weeks, we completed our planned workout routine. So I'm going to go ahead and shade those green. And I'm following this calendar legend here. Green for completed the originally scheduled workout plan. Red, we didn't exercise on originally scheduled day. And yellow for these particular cases. So let's go ahead and fill in the weight at the end of each week. As you can see there, the actual weight is charted by this green line. Okay, so let's say that on February 3rd, we planned to swim, and let's say that we missed that date. So for that particular date, we're going to mark that as red. And let's say that we completed this day and this day. So then at the end of the week, we're going to enter our actual weight. And let's say that the next week we completed those 3 items. And maybe we worked out an extra day, so we can mark that as yellow. And at the end of the week, we can enter our actual weight. Okay, so that's what you do for the entire year. I'll scroll down here. You can see that the layout here is that each month of the year is stacked on top of each other. So I'm going to go over to this worksheet here where I filled in the entire year so that you can see what it looks like fully filled in. And as you can see here in the chart here, the green line representing the actual weight, we reached, by the end of the year, we reached our goal of 140 pounds. Let me go ahead and shrink this down so that you can see the entire year filled in. And over here I have another one, just so you can see that you can change the colors of this to whatever colors you like. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other worksheet over here. And this particular worksheet is the entire calendar year on one sheet. And at the bottom here, you can enter special fitness events and keep track of those. And there's one other worksheet here where you can enter the entire calendar year on a single sheet, where you can enter notes on the side here. You can also print these sheets if you need a hard copy of them. That's what it would look like. And you can also print this worksheet and get it on a single sheet, and it would look like that. And you can also print your monthly scheduled workout plans. Okay, so that is a basic overview of George's Excel fitness and weight tracker for year 2020.